Hi, Draw Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mew from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Mew, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a nice big round curve. So I'm going to go up nice and high. And then I'm going to bring it down. And when I bring it down, I'm going to come down a little bit lower. And then let's go ahead and connect it. So I just want to give the bottom of the eyes a slight slant. Then I'm going to use this as my guide and come right across, say about this wide. And then we're going to do the same thing. So go up nice and high. And I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same height since I'm drawing pretty big. And we're just going to go right down just like the other side. And connect. There, so now we have our two eye openings. Then we're going to come back inside and towards this edge, we're going to come about right here and we're going to draw a curve. And bring it in. And then let's come back in for one more long oval. So we're going to fit right in here. There, and then we're going to just put a little highlight right here and then shade this all in black. So then when you're coloring, this part right here would be the color of Mew's eyes. There, so let's do the same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here. Again, just draw this nice curve. As if you're drawing an oval, and I'll just shade that in darker and then come right back and we're going to do the same thing inside. And before I forget, I'm going to put a little circle right here for a highlight. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm just going to come right about here on the sides and just draw a soft curve. Nice and light, and then before I finish, I'm just going to come back and darken my top curve just to anchor the eyes a little bit better. There. Okay, so then now we need to draw the face. So I'm going to say, come to the top of your eye, come out, and we're just going to draw a curve. So let's just say about right here, not too far away. And same thing on the other side, same about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve around the eye. So same thing here, curve around the eye. Then we're going to bring it down. So this is kind of like the cheek area, it's nice and wide, and we're just going to bring it in. And let's keep going. So let's go towards, let's see, about right here, kind of like where the eye is. Just use that as our guide. So kind of right about here, we'll stop. And then in this area, we're stopping because we need to draw a deeper curve for the nose and mouth area. So I'm going to come right about here. And we're just going to draw a soft, round but deeper curve. There, I know it's kind of delicate, right? There, and then whatever space you have left, just fill it in. Okay, so then from there, we're going to bring this up. So we're going to get a little bit thinner as we go up. So same thing here. And I'm just going to skip a little bit and then continue to the top of the head. So the top of the head is narrower, so it's about right here is our center. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just come right back down. And just stop. You can continue it if you want. Just give it a little break. I guess it just adds more detail to the drawing. So right there, then from there we need to draw the ears. So I'm going to come into this space right here and just draw a nice big curve, go up, right there, and then down, so in this space. And I'm just going to lightly just draw a curve coming in. So same thing on the other side, just going to drag this point across, and same thing here, but right there, and we're going to do the same thing. Curve out just like the other side, and bring it in. And then once again, we're just going to lightly draw a curve right about there. Okay, so now we're done with the head. Now we need to draw the cute little body. So I'm going to come in between, we're going to center the body. So let's say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to draw the little arms. So I'm just going to draw 2 curves coming down. And let's work on this side. I'm going to come about right here and bring it in, and then about here we're just going to draw the hands. So bring it out straight, and then we're just going to zigzag 3 times. And so same thing here, down, and then straight, and then zigzag 3 times for the hands. Then we need to draw the body, which is kind of floating, right? Flying. So it's going to be kind of going this way just to give it some direction. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve coming down, and then this side on the back, about right here, we're going to draw another curve. So it's all kind of flowing this way. Then from there, let's come over here. We continue this, and about right here, I'm going to give myself a point, and this is where I'm going to draw the leg. So I'm going to start this thigh and here. So just kind of this round oval shape. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So kind of like a drumstick. There, right here for the thigh. Okay, then from there we can go ahead and about here, just skip a little bit space if you like, and then we're going to bring in a curve for the tummy right there. And then the other leg, so let's say at this angle, so about right here, and we're going to bring it down for the other thigh. So it's going to be about the same area. And in. And then for the feet, we're going to come about right here. We have these long feet. So here and here. We're going to bring down the feet. So curve and curve. And let's say about right here, we're just going to go 1, 2, and 3 little bumps. And then we can go ahead and just finish it off with 2 curves for the feet. Now I know where my lines are. I can come back in here and darken everything now that I'm sure. Okay. Then we have another foot we need to draw. So let's say about right here. And we're going to bring it out. And once again, about right here, we're just going to 1, 2, and 3 bumps. And once again, 1 and 2. There. Okay, so hopefully I helped you with that. I know the body is a little bit more complicated, but just try to draw this tummy area and then adding these 2 little loops for the legs. And then we need to draw the tail. So let's come about right here, and we're going to draw this long tail that Mew has. And I'm going to curve. And let's thicken this up. We're going to bring it down. And we're going to just pop it out. So let's say about right here. And I'm just going to turn my body. Draw this curve coming out. So nice long tail. And then as we come out here, it's going to flare out a tiny bit. And then taper it. We're just going to thicken the end. There. Okay, so bring this in a little bit more. And that is pretty much it, except I'll just sneak in a little heart right here. To make this my Draw So Cute Mew from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.